Okay, hello everybody and welcome to Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, as you read in the title, this is a video showing you how to infinitely rob a train over and over again. This is unpatchable, and it's reliable, unlike, some money duping methods. So anyways, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to be doing is going to any train station and buying a ticket to Riggs Station. It's always going to be below $20, unless maybe you're like all the way up in Annisburg, or Van Horn, or whatever. But yeah, it's going to be relatively cheap. So you're going to get out of your seat, and you're going to run up to the engine of the train, and you're going to steal it.
Somebody help!
And as soon as you steal the train, hold A.
I'm gonna leave you.
Normally, you would, tell your horse to stay, because for some reason Rockstar decided it would be a good idea for your horse to follow you while you were on the train. So, your horse might die if you don't tell it to stop. I've lost a couple horses. Okay, so once you get relatively far on the train, you don't really, not on the train, but on the track, you don't need to go too far, but you need to get it so every single cart is on the bit. So kill all the guards. It does lose you a lot of honor, though. And then just proceed to loot everything. So just take as much stuff as you can. And hopefully you brought some dynamite with you. If you didn't bring any dynamite, then you're not going to get as much money as you normally would. You're not missing out on too much because you get most of the money from robbing the passengers. But you can get additional money by blowing up the safes in all of these carts.
Just be quiet, you damn fool!
It's not worth a lot, but you can get, quite a bit of money. Normally there's like a bill stack in there and a few coin purses, so like $30 per thing, I guess. And then sometimes there's pocket watches that you can't take for some reason. Because the pocket watches are one of a kind, so it tries to pick it up, but you don't have any space for it.
Please, someone help!
What's taking so long?
So once you move on to robbing the passengers, if you just aim at the sky by pressing
Take it!
up on the D-pad, I don't know what control or button it is for PlayStation, but on Xbox if you press up on the D-pad, then you will aim your gun up. And that will bait, or that will make the person, give you their money. Jesus, I am not thinking straight. I am so sorry, my narration is so bad. Feel free to turn this off and just, read the text. It's probably a lot easier. You don't need my stupid narration. And you can just follow the text. But if you are still listening, thank you. Unless this came up on autoplay and you're already asleep. Oh, Jesus.
You're only making it worse.
I don't remember that
I'll
happening.
destroy this whole place!
Alright, no, but, so yeah, you do just want to loot everything. And make sure before you rob trains, try not to have too many tonics or, like, any provisions on you, like hand provisions. Try and sell all your watches, specifically. Sell all your jewelry. Stock up on dynamite, too. And feel free to use as many tonics as you want. If your health is even slightly low, then use like a health tonic, because you get a guaranteed 2 health tonics and 1 miracle tonic every single time you rob one, minimum. So that's a guaranteed chance, or that's guaranteed to get at least 2 health gears and 1 miracle tonic. And I guess a Gorma rum. So in the last cart of the train, you will get 1 miracle tonic and 1 health gear plus some Guarma rum and jewelry. So once you loot this, I would recommend going back to the front of the train. And if you want to, you can shoot the passengers. I don't like doing this. I don't like it. But if you do want extra money, you don't even get money for it, you get extra items. So if you do really want more, then yeah, if you just go back and shoot the passengers, then you can get extra money. But I don't think it's too worth it. All you get is like maybe some extra jewelry and like, I don't know, assaulted awful or something. So if you want to,
This is too much.
go ahead. But I don't really like doing it, so I'll need to do it a few times just to demonstrate.
Stop. Please,
Oh, sweet Jesus! No!
Okay, so you're gonna want to get out and then run to the other end of the train. Doesn't matter which end. And once you're out, you're gonna want to take a left. So run to the front of the train, and then you're gonna want to take a left and whistle for your horse. I'm not sure what level bonding you need for your horse to come to you from that far away, but ouch. But you probably are gonna want at least like a level 2 bonded horse, maybe, for it to be able to come all that distance. I have a level 4 currently, so I'm not entirely sure. Alright, so once you get off and you're on your horse, just ride straight to roads. Don't worry about the cops or anything. And for the love of God, try not to run into people like this. Don't ram into people. I almost died here. Because I pulled out a knife, yeah, right there. I just pulled out a knife. And I didn't realize it, so I was trying to shoot that guy. And, yeah, he almost kills me. But got really unlucky. People in this game are not very nice. So try and ride into roads or Emerald Ranch or whichever way you're going, uninterrupted.
Come on.
Oh, shut up until we get there.
Yeah.
Everything's so blurry.
Welcome. You just discovered my little shop here?
Okay, so once you get to the fence, sell any jewelry you have. Any Kentucky bourbon, jewelry, and snake oil if you have any. And then once you sell that,
Welcome, mister. First time to the shop?
don't leave the fence after you sell everything. You're gonna want to exit the sell menu. After you sell everything you need, you're gonna want to exit the sell menu and then go into the buy menu. I forgot to do this, but you're gonna want to buy dynamite. So, hopefully, didn't use like 20 dynamite. But if you did use like 4 dynamite to open 4 safes, then you might not have enough for the next one. Or if you weren't fully stocked on dynamite before, just restock on dynamite each trip. It's a lot easier to stay ahead of it. So after you go to the fence, you're going to want to ride down into roads and go straight to the post office again.
Here you go.
Smooth. Alright. So once you go in here, talk to Alden or whoever, or Aiden, and then buy a ticket to Rig Station again. I'll just shut up and look this way.